Press a petal into a bowl that it fits into easily. Press the paper firmly, creasing where it starts to fold over. Use the DIY ball tool to apply firm pressure over the entire petal. To add more roundness, especially for the top 2 layers, shape again in a smaller bowl. All shaped but floppy, it's time to stiffen up these layers. Each layer is glued on top of a support circle. It's time to raid the pantry. Assemble the layers on a DIY paper flower tool. Fold the petals in tighter as you get closer to the top. Time to glue the center in place.